वजाहिदू फिल्लाहि हक़्क़ जिहादिही हुवा इज्तबाकुम वमा जअल अलैकुम फिद्दीन मिन हरज। Strive for the cause of Allah, strive to establish the state of Allah, the kingdom of heaven on earth. Try as hard as you could. Try as hard as is the right of Allah over you. Your creator, your benefactor, your provider, your sustainer. How much is his right over you? There should be ratio proportion. How much is the right of your own nafs, your own body over you? How much is the right of your children and wives over you? And how much of your time and energies are devoted to these things? And how much is the right of your creator, your benefactor, your provider, your sustainer over you? And look to the time and energies that you have allocated to his cause. There should be some self-assessment in this world. Hasibu anfusakum min qabli an tuhasabu. Judge yourself here in this world before you are judged on the day of judgment.